What is up, my hustlers, guys? Welcome back to Diamond's Hustle, your one-stop shop for the hottest remote job leads on the internet. Now, remember about a few weeks ago, I told you guys I was laid off. Well, guess what? I actually get to start my new opportunity next week, and I am so excited about that. So for everyone who had well wishes and who basically did whatever y'all believe in or do, thank you so much for that. Now, today's spotlight opportunity is coming straight from Amtrak, and no, you don't need to hop on the train to work this one. I'm sharing all the details on this awesome role, plus a few bonus opportunities that might just be the perfect fit for you. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're keeping the hustle alive and the job wins rolling. So let's go ahead and jump right on into that first bonus opportunity. All right, guys, so this first opportunity is coming from TaskRabbit. Now, this is something amazing for you. They're on a hunt for a quality specialist to help take their customer service to the next level. And trust me, you do not want to miss out on this opportunity. Now, they're saying at TaskRabbit, you'll be joining a global leader that connects people with taskers to handle everyday home tasks like furniture assembly, moving help, and more. So it's a remote first company that's all about flexibility and working together to create meaningful, life-changing experiences. Now, your day-to-day in this opportunity is going to be monitoring and evaluating customer support interactions, and that's going to be through calls, chats, emails to really make sure everything aligns with quality standards. You're going to conduct regular performance evaluations, providing feedback and coaching to agents so that they can actually keep improving. You will be using data-driven insights to find areas for improvement and help optimize customer service process. Collaborate with customer support and training and development teams to integrate feedback and improve performance. Also, help identify recurring issues and develop strategies to really tackle them head on. Now, as far as who you are, who they're looking for, someone who's going to be experienced in customer support or quality and training with a passion for improvement, strong analytical and problem-solving skills that really help you find the root cause of the issue. Now, your communication is going to be great. Now, whether that's through feedback, reports, or collaborating with others, and you should be fluent in English. That's going to be a requirement, but extra languages like Spanish, French, Portuguese, German, and Italian are also going to be a big plus in this opportunity. Now, as far as the compensation, they're paying between $55,000 to $68,000 per year, and this can go up based on your experience, location, and more. And with that is not all, right? There's also a bonus on top of that, along with some amazing perks like health insurance, a 401k match, IKEA discounts, wellness and productivity stipend, and more. Now, this is going to be that remote first company, so you can work from anywhere in the world. Their inclusive culture with a commitment to equity and diversity, a team that's not just talented, but also super supportive and fun to work with. And you'll get flexible time off, plus additional perks like wellness and education stipend to really keep you feeling good and growing in this opportunity. So if this sounds like you, go ahead, hit that apply button now and start making an impact in an innovative, forward-thinking company that really wants to value you. Now, if TaskRabbit is not your jam, that is completely fine because we're about to bounce right on over to that next bonus opportunity. So let's go ahead and check that one out. This is going to be for those sports fans and HR pros. Now, have you ever wanted to work for a company that's not only changing the game in sports gaming, but also creating a culture of innovation and excitement? Well, now, if so, here's your chance. Underdog, the fastest growing sports gaming company, is on the hunt for a people operations coordinator to join their remote first team. Now, why is this role so exciting? As a people operations coordinator at Underdog, you're going to play a vital role in shaping the employee's experience and ensuring smooth HR operations across the company. So think about it. You'll be working with Workday, managing onboarding, employee data, and supporting all HR administrative processes. But this isn't just about handling paperwork. You'll be directly impacting how employees feel every day by creating seamless and efficient HR processes. Now, some of the things that you're going to be doing in the day-to-day is you'll be the magic behind smooth new hire onboarding, making sure everything from offer letters to I-9 verification is handled with precision. You'll be in charge of processing employee data for new hires, termination, promotions, and job changes using Workday. You'll be the go-to person for making sure all things HR related are on point. You'll be the friendly face, virtually, of course. Employees really turn to when they have questions about HR policies, benefits, or system navigation. You're going to work closely with IT, employee experience, HR business partners, and really managers to ensure every employee has top-notch experiences, helping to make sure employee data is correct in Workday so payroll and compensation are smooth and accurate. Now, as far as who you are, you're someone who has 1 to 3 years of experience in HR or people operations, and you're no stranger to navigating Workday with ease. You're an organizational wizard, detail-oriented, and comfortable handling sensitive information. You got strong communication skills and connect with employees across all levels, from entry level to executives. You're someone who's going to be proficient in Microsoft Office Suite, and you're ready to dive into other HR tools. Now, they do say a bachelor's degree in human resource business administration or related field is preferred, but not required. Now, you will love this opportunity if you like working with 33 to 65 an hour and Lord Jesus, what am I talking about? 33.65 an hour to 36.05 an hour, plus a target equity as well. Now, you're going to get unlimited PTO, 16 weeks of fully paid parental leave, $500 home office allowance. You're going to get that 5% 401k match. And don't forget about the remote first culture. Now, with the remote first culture, you'll work with a super engaged, distributed workforce that's all about making work fun and flexible. Now, again, with this opportunity, you will get that equity option, of course, and your exact salary will depend on your experience and qualifications. Now, if you're ready to change the game with a company that has a dynamic culture and be a part of a winning team, apply today, and this could be the career opportunity that you have been waiting for. Now, with that being said, let's check out that final bonus opportunity before we dive into that main gig with Amtrak and check out that next one and see if it's the game changer you've been searching for. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, if you guys are ready to make a real impact in customer experience and people leadership, and if you're passionate about health and wellness and have a knack for optimizing customer support teams, then I've got the perfect opportunity for you at Hims and Hers. Now, they're looking for a manager of customer experience to join their remote team and really help them deliver top-notch service while leading a dynamic team. Now, at Hims and Hers, they're on a mission to transform healthcare and really make it affordable and accessible and personalized. So as a manager, you're going to lead a team of supervisors and agents supporting customers across multiple channels. Your main goal really is to drive exceptional customer satisfaction, manage escalations, and create a culture of excellence. Now, what you're going to do in your day-to-day is lead and inspire a team of supervisors who oversee frontline agents, helping them provide top-tier customer service across various channels, act as a communication bridge between the customers and the broader business, sharing insights and feedback, become a subject matter expert in a core function of the business, supporting the growth strategy. Then find the perfect balance between high productivity and exceptional quality, ensuring customer support is always at its best. You will also partner with cross-functional teams like training, quality tech, product, and BPO to really ensure that they're meeting their service levels and goals really set out for the company. What you should be able to bring to this table is 10 plus years of experience in a high growth customer support environment with people management experience, especially managing managers, experience working in a work from home environment, managing a team of 50 plus people, ideally healthcare industry experience or familiar with its operations and dynamics. They want someone who can thrive in an ever-changing environment, really while maintaining a people-first mentality, change management experience, so where you've successfully led teams through rapid growth or evolution, and then the preferred qualifications, proof of success in managing remote teams, customer support expertise in managing large teams, and the ability to drive positive change is some of the things that they're looking for preferred qualifications. As you guys saw in the beginning, it's paying between $85K to $100K based on your experience. With that, also, you do get some good bonuses like equity compensation for full-time roles, plus unlimited PTO and quarterly mental health days, comprehensive health benefits, medical, dental, and vision, along with parental leave, 401k with employer matching, employee stock purchase program, and off-site team retreats for some in-person fun and bonding. Now, this is really your chance to be a part of an innovative company that's making waves in healthcare and working with an incredible, talented, and inclusive team. If you're ready to lead and make an impact while enjoying some amazing benefits, go ahead, apply today, and start making healthcare more accessible together with hims and hers. With that being said, let's check out that final opportunity that's going to be with none other than Amtrak. Here we are. If you are ready to lead that change in digital payment for a company that's changing the way people experience travel, then Amtrak is going to be calling your name. All experienced tech leaders to join the team and really help shape the future of the payment system. Now, this is your chance to make an impact in a fast-paced environment while working on cutting-edge solutions in the payment industry. Now, about this role, as the Director of Digital Technology, System Design and Development, Payments, that is a long title. You'll play a key role in driving the digital payment strategies and overseeing the end-to-end delivery of payment products. Now, with that being said, that is going to include everything from user experience to vendor integration, making sure that the payment systems are smooth, secure, and customer friendly. You'll lead teams that ensure innovative, seamless, and efficient payment services, and really work closely with senior leaders, engineers, and business partners. Now, your essential functions in this opportunity is going to be lead the way in developing and executing the payment product roadmap across the business. Work closely with cross-functional teams, ensuring smooth and timely execution of initiatives. Manage critical payment ecosystem operations, ensuring system scalability, security, and compliance with industry standards like PCI and DSS. You're also going to oversee client engagement and service agreements for all payment products, and then drive initiatives that really enhance fraud mitigation, optimize payment scale, and improve system performance with data-driven insight. Now, as far as who you are for this opportunity, you have that 12 to 15 years of experience leading in payment platforms and managing large teams across multiple sites. You're an expert in payment gateway, digital payments, and have a strong understanding of financial transactions, processing systems. You thrive in a fast-paced, highly collaborative environment where strategic thinking is going to be key. You've successfully led large, complex IT projects and are proficient in agile and software technology environments. Now, your skills should be a strong background in cross-functional team management and influence executive-level stakeholders, ability to balance high-priority initiatives and make decisions that move the business forward, excellent communication skills, both oral and written, to clearly communicate complex ideas. Now, as far as the salary, as you guys can see, $179,300 to $232,416 based on your experience. You also will get short-term incentives based on performance, comprehensive benefit package including health, dental, vision, 401k match with paid time off, adoption and surrogacy assistance, and so much more in this opportunity. So if you guys are ready to join and be a part of a company that really connects the world, delivers exceptional customer experience, and is redefining the future of travel, go ahead, apply now, and take your career to the next station with Amtrak. Now, with that being said, that is a wrap for today's exciting job opportunities from TaskRabbit, Underdog, Hims and Hers, and Amtrak. Now, whether you're into creating amazing customer experiences, diving into the fast-paced world of sports and tech, or leading the charge in health and wellness, these roles are incredible, and these are incredible chances for growth and impact as well. Now, if any of these sound like your next big move, don't wait, apply now, and join a team that values innovation, collaboration, and really making a real difference. Please drop a comment below if you're interested or need help with your applications. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing job leads coming your way, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.